Yeah, what up? Hey, I promise that at some point I will not be doing videos from the car. Sometimes I just got too much going on and I can't find the perfect place to do a video, and the car seems to be the most convenient place. So I promise you at some point I will not be doing videos from the car, all right? But for right now, I just want to put this out there. Talk about a little bit about affirmations today, all right? So part of the reason why I haven't had much time to post a video is my goal is to post a video like at least once a week. So I'm gonna do my best to keep up with that. But I've been having opportunities present themselves, and it has a lot to do with affirmations, right? So the thing about affirmations is it helps you to create a certain mindset, all right? Because you're dealing with your subconscious mind, all right? If you think about your subconscious mind, it is a very, very, very powerful part of your brain, because essentially it kind of operates kind of like the universe. You know, they say, when they say, you put something out there and then move out of the way and let the universe take care of it. That's kind of how your subconscious mind works, because you don't have to think about your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind does things on its own. Your subconscious mind, I think they say, can process like over 20 million bits of information, if not more, at a time. And if you think about it, your subconscious mind is what keeps your heart beating, and it's like at least four to eight different functions for your heart to beat and for the blood to flow through, the arteries and everything, and pump blood through your entire body. So it's multiple steps to keep your heart going. You don't have to think about breathing. You don't have to think about blinking. You don't have to think about your cells repairing themselves. You don't have to think about digesting your food. Your liver, if you have a healthy working liver, healthy kidneys. There's a lot of things that your subconscious mind is responsible for that you don't have to think about. All right. So then that comes to my first point. One of your affirmations should have somewhere in there the word grateful. And if you can't think of anything to be grateful for, that's bullshit, because I just told you that your subconscious mind keeps you alive. So that could be something that you're grateful for. A healthy working heart, a healthy, working stomach, or whatever. It's something simple. Start simple. Grateful. Express gratitude to the universe. All right, that could be one of your affirmations. Another important thing about affirmations that you want to start to practice and exercise, if you're just now getting into this, or even if you've been doing affirmations for a while and then you notice, I've been saying these affirmations for a while and nothing's really working. First off, don't focus on what isn't working. Focus on what is working in your life. All right. Secondly, affirmations are great in a way that work for you. You can personalize them. One of the, I won't say the mistakes I made, but one of the things I learned is using other people's affirmations or cookie cutter affirmations that you may hear or read on the internet are a great start, but you have to make sure it resonates with you. So although using someone else's suggestion for affirmations can be a good starting point and you may see some results, it's a good idea to go back to these lists of affirmations that you've written down, that you've gotten from other sources, and personalize them to yourself to where they resonate with you more. Because part of manifestations and part of manifesting is feeling. And if you're not truly feeling what you're telling yourself on a daily basis through these affirmations, then it's going to take a longer time, or you may not see as many results because they have to resonate with who you are personally. All right, so it's a good starting point to take these affirmations that you get from other places, but at some point you have to revise them to be personal to you. All right, and there's nothing wrong with doing this. It's just like, it's like a clean slate every month or so. You go back and you can see how you can make it more concise, or make it more make it more to the point. These affirmations, to where they're gonna mean something to you. All right. Another thing about affirmations is you want to recite these every day. If you can't do them multiple times a day, please do them before bed, because what you're doing is you're programming your mind before sleep to make you feel a certain way and think a certain way, and you're programming your subconscious to kind of do things for you, because you got to think your subconscious mind never sleeps. Your subconscious mind is always going. So you're giving yourself these positive affirmations, these positive ideas before sleep. You're gonna wake up feeling different, and you're gonna go through the days feeling different, because you're feeding your mind with these positive thoughts in your subconscious mind, and you're letting your subconscious mind do its thing while you're sleeping. All right. And then you're gonna see that as you go through your days are gonna start to change based on what you've been telling yourself and what you've trained yourself to believe. All right. I guess the last thing about affirmations is be open to what comes. Because if you're constantly telling yourself and putting out in the universe that, I don't know, like, positive energy comes my way, or I'm open to opportunities, or, whatever it is that you put out there, and then the universe presents that to you, be ready to accept it. All right? Be ready to accept it, because by not accepting it, you're going to tell your universe that, oh, just kidding. I wasn't really serious about that. And then you're going to start to see things kind of fall in line according to what your actions are once you're presented this opportunity or this gift that you've been, saying that you desire, or that you actually believe about yourself. So be ready for these opportunities to come as you say these affirmations, because they will happen. It will happen, and you have to be open and ready to receive. All right. Hence the reason why I haven't been able to do a lot of these videos, but I'm going to stay on top of it at least once a week. And at some point, no more car videos. I promise you that. So I just wanted to put this out there. If you're doing your affirmations, keep them going. Do them before bed. Make sure they resonate with you in some way. Make sure they evoke some type of feeling within you personally. Feel free to revise them as often as possible. I have 30 affirmations that I say to myself before bed every night, and at some point throughout the day, every day. And I've revised these over the years, and I add to it when I feel like, oh, that's a good one to say. It's your world. It's your internal world. It's your place to create. You don't have to worry about deleting an affirmation and adding a new one or adding more. It's infinite possibilities. All right, infinite possibilities. If anybody's gonna believe in you, it has to start with you first. So what you're telling yourself on a daily basis is what's most important. It's not what somebody else thinks. It's about what you think and what you believe and what you're telling yourself. And like I said, ultimately, all that's going to come back to you. All right? Because your inner world is a reflection of your outer world. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. All right? So I hope this helps. If you have some affirmations that you tell yourself on a daily basis, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you need some help revising your affirmations, you need a way to kind of like tweak it, make it better, connect with me at conversationswithsean@gmail.com. Or if you need some coaching, reach out to me, conversationswithsean@gmail.com. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.